Hello, I'm Karen, and this is how I make refried beans. I use a cast iron pan, always. It's just what I do. Heat it up, then you're going to put in some oil. When the oil is warm, you can add your beans. Stir them around. I only add three things. And I don't measure anything. I just throw it on. Live large, people. I use garlic powder, I use onion powder, I use some ground cumin, and I add salt. And then I taste it. And then I add more if I need it. All right, now a lot of people complain that black beans are dry, and they kind of are. So I just add a little bit of water before I mash them. And if I feel like I need more water, I add more water. Then you have to decide, do you want a really sort of pulverized mash or something more refined? I like a refined mash. Add some oil or any kind of fat. You can even add butter at the end. That'll further improve the texture.